So we're here in Magor Brewery, situated in South Wales. The brewery's been here since 1979, so just over 42 years. Magor is a proud part of Budweiser Brewing Group, and on a global level, Budweiser Brewing Group is part of AB InBev. And in Magor we produce the 3 global brands which are key to our success here as a company, which are Corona, Stella Artois and Budweiser. So in Magor we have over 500 employees of a very high calibre. What we find in South Wales is it's very easy to recruit high-skilled people, but also very good for retention. We have people working in the brewery who've worked here for over 40 years and also very young, so we invest in the apprenticeship scheme, and that for me is absolutely critical, especially having come as an apprentice through the business myself. I see the importance of developing our people. One of the other main benefits of Magor Brewery being where it is we're right on the M4 corridor, so infrastructure and interconnection links are great, and also very easy access to the rest of the UK market.
I'm incredibly proud that we produce some of the biggest brands in the world right here in Newport in South Wales. Budweiser Brewing Group has invested millions into Magor Brewery. Every investment is to make it more sustainable. We produce huge quantities of beer every year, a total volume of 6.2 million hectolitres. That's over 1 billion pints.
Welsh Government have been great in both supporting us financially and with policy support. We've received a number of grants over the years to grow our business. Further to that, we've received more in the way of sustainability goals and environmental impact initiatives over the last few years. Over the last 12 months, we removed all plastic from our packaging. So we removed the high cones from our cans and also the plastic wrap which goes around the packs to ensure that we're plastic free. We're also committed to delivering our Budweiser from Magor Brewery with 100% renewable energy. To achieve this, we've installed a new wind turbine, actually one of the biggest in the UK, and also we use 100% UK barley to brew our Budweiser here in Magor. One of the greatest things about Wales is its people. They're committed, hard-working, passionate, and that's one of the things that makes me feel so proud to be the brewery manager here in Magor.